what's going on, people? It's your boy, the Mystical One, or Tony Touch. Whoops, I'm so stupid. Yeah, it's Tony Touch from the Mystical One TV. About to play miniature golf. Y'all check it out. Oh, oh, shoot. Yeah. Damn. Well, 3 tries, that'll work. Alright, man. Got it 3.
Yeah, what up, people? Your boy Mike back again doing it one time for you, you know what I'm saying? Miniature golf, Congo River, here you go. Bam, yeah!
Oh,
hey, what's that?
2 tries. No way.
Oh, man, no, well, that should have been.
Did you see that?
You better get in there.
Could have had it on 3 or 2.
That was fucked up, people, you know what I'm saying?
That's really crappy, man, but we'll get it on the next one. Come on.